Hello my dear friends, today's tutorial is truly special. We're working on a dress that I personally adore because it has a magical way of looking stunning on everyone. It doesn't matter your age or style, this silhouette brings out an effortless elegance that is hard to find. I've put a lot of heart into perfecting this pattern, and I can't wait to see you bring this design to life. But before we dive into the details, I want to give a very special shout out to our newest channel members. Thank you so much to everyone who has recently joined our membership program. Your incredible support means the world to me, and it's because of your kindness that I can continue sharing these professional lessons with our entire community. Now, to extend the length of the dress, I'm adding a piece of paper to the pattern. At this stage, you can either use your own desired length measured from the shoulder corner, or you can use the exact measurements of the model in the photo, which I've listed for you in the description. As you can see, I've extended this line directly from the end of the dart. This is a key step to ensure the transition is seamless and the vertical lines remain perfectly balanced. By following this path, we create a silhouette that flows naturally and gives the dress its professional, tailored look. For the zipper placement, you can decide based on your preference. I suggest placing it either in the center back or along the side seam for a cleaner finish. Whichever you choose, make sure to leave enough space for a smooth opening, ensuring it doesn't interfere with the dress's silhouette. At this stage, following the previous tutorials I've shared with you, I'm going to align the sleeve crown with the garment's armhole. I'll be adding the necessary amount to the sleeve crown to ensure a perfect match. This adjustment is crucial for a smooth, professional fit without any pulling. Moving on to the sleeve length, you can either measure it directly on your arm for a custom fit or refer to the measurements I provided in the description for this specific model. Be sure to check that out to get the exact look you see here. A huge thank you once again to our newest members. Your membership support truly makes a difference. If you also want to support my work and get access to exclusive perks, make sure to click the join button and become a member of the Ladybird Designer family today.